sir. How are you today?
Fine, thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Yes, my pleasure. Welcome to Back Museum again.
Yes, every time I come here, I learn so much. Last time I learned a whole lot about the green diamonds.
Yes.
I have come across some information online about pink diamonds. Could you explain to me what's so special about pink diamonds? I want to pick your brain for some information.
And tell me why you have a red for pink diamond.
Recently, I saw the Sotheby's July Hong Kong 2020 auction. They sold a fancy vivid pink diamond weighing 4.49 carats. The price was 63,002,500 Hong Kong dollars. That makes sense for me because that was nearly a 5-carat pink diamond. But what doesn't make sense to me is at Phillips Hong Kong auction talked about the Argyle Pink Diamond total weight of only 0.25 carats. They sold for 120,000 Hong Kong dollars. I don't understand why these diamonds are so expensive and what's the rarity of them.
I see. Then let me introduce you Argyle Pink Diamond first. Then you will realize why the price is so high in the market. The story of the Argyle Pink Diamond is a modern-day pioneering adventure. In 1979, a group of geologists exploring the rugged red rock desert terrain of northwest Australia spotted a speck of light glinting in an anthill. That glimmer turned out to be a diamond, and the momentous discovery changed the course of jewelry history. After lengthy negotiations and preparations, Rio Tinto opened the Argyle Diamond Mine in 1985, presenting the world with a consistent string of exclusive pink diamonds of incomparable brilliance, calm, and beauty for the first time. The Argyle Diamond Mine more or less doubled global diamond production in the beginning and became the foremost producer of pink diamonds, supplying 90% of the world's total production. Since opening, the mine has yielded some 865 million carats of diamonds, yet only 0.01% of the entire output has been the celebrated Argyle Pink Diamonds.
So rarity of good quality Argyle Pink diamonds make the price so high in the market, right?
Not only the rarity, but also you have to understand Argyle diamond has particular formation with complex inner graining. So it was quickly to realize that they demanded special cutting expertise, especially when preserving or improving the color. Today, just 2 world-class artisans working in the cutting and polishing workshop in Perth, ensuring that Argyle Pink diamonds are the best they can possibly be.
I see. Since Argyle Pink Diamonds is so special, is there any regulation to purchase Argyle Pink Diamonds?
To purchase Argyle Pink Diamond, you must invite it as an Argyle Pink Diamond signature tender. Every year, Rio Tinto will invite 50 people around the world and showcasing the Argyle mine in past 12 months' best production. The diamonds are sought after by diamond dealers, collectors, and the world over and can command record prices, often more than $1 million per carat, as they are extremely limited, exceedingly rare and high-priced. People sometimes see them as investment for the future, especially in 2019, when Rio Tinto has announced the 2021 tender will be the last tender event. Due to the mine is expected to close in 2021, the closure is anticipated to disrupt the global diamond market, and the value of colored diamonds will likely skyrocket as the supply falls. The Argyle mine has left a lasting impact on the global diamond market by reshaping consumer expression of colored diamonds.
I know why the reason of small weight diamonds can be so pricey.
Yes, I'm on the other hand feel immensely proud to have been custodian of some of the most unique and exceptional diamonds from the Argyle Pink Diamond signature tender over the years.
You must feel immensely proud to be the signature tender for Argyle Pink Diamond.
Yes, it is indeed a privilege to view those wonderful Argyle diamonds firsthand. Also, it gives me an opportunity to find the best quality and the price of Argyle Pink Diamond for my collections.
Now I totally understand the charm of why people are buying Argyle Pink Diamond.
Yeah, this is a good time to investigate pink diamond market. If you want to invest in the color diamond market, let me show you some of the Jurassic collections so you could have some ideas what you need to look for when you purchase any Argyle Pink Diamond. Now, let's look at this ring. The center stone is 1.03 carat, face vivid purple pink. Corner square modified brilliant cut Argyle Pink Diamond. For the second ring, it contains 2 pink Argyle Pink Diamond. Total weight 0.34 carat. The color of the pink Argyle are 5 PR and 7 PR.
Richard, what is 5 PR and 7 PR? I'm a bit confused.
In pink diamond market, Argyle Pink Diamond have a different color grading. Unlike GIA color grading system, the Argyle Pink Diamond has a system using PP, PR, PC. PR means pink rose. PC means pink champagne. You got it?
Yes, I understand clearly now. Thank you for the explanation. They are very beautiful and easily to fall in love with these pretty colored stones because the pink fire and beauty coming out of them is immaculate. Thank you very much for welcoming me to your beautiful museum. Every time I come here, I always learn something new.
It's my pleasure to have you here today and expecting you coming next time, okay?
I will be back very soon.
You are mostly welcome. Please come again anytime. I truly wish to see you all in Jurassic Museum. Thank you for watching. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe on YouTube. Also, make sure you give it a like and you can also visit my Facebook page.